on linear word problems packet, it says Kylan is babysitting her cousin. She earns $15 per hour, circle per. That per, is that giving me a heads up that that is the y-intercept, the starting point, or is it the slope, that rate of change? So this is telling you that this is the slope, that rate of change. So part A, what is the starting point, the y-intercept, everybody? 0. Well, how'd you get 0? There's no 0 in that sentence.
Because she said,
There's no one.
Yeah, if it does not say starting fee, initial fee, flat fee, if it doesn't tell you where it's starting out, it's starting out at 0. So it says, 0. Explain what it means in this context. So who can give me a sentence for that?
Wait,
RJ?
Cameron starts out charging $0.
Say that again.
Cameron starts out charging $0.
Kylan starts out charging $0. Kylan starts out charging $0. Or something to mean that effect. You don't have to have that exact sentence. Part B, what is the rate of change, that unit rate? Everybody?
$15.
15. So which one is the slope, the 0 or the 15?
15.
15. It says, what does this mean in this context? In this context, what's it mean, Emily?
Each hour Kayla gets $15.
Each hour, Kylan earns $15. Each hour, Kylan earns $15 for babysitting. I added the for babysitting onto Emily's sentence because of the fact I like to know why she's getting this money. Yes, RJ?
I thought B was $15 per hour.
B is $15 an hour. Doesn't that still mean the same thing as each hour? She's getting $15 an hour. What sentence did you just put $15 per hour? Do you see that we need to know more? We want to know about it in this context. We need a good sentence, not just tell me the rate of change. Does the relationship represent a proportional relationship, everybody?
yes,
Yes, why?
because it goes to the left.
Starts at 0. Does the relationship represent a linear relationship? Yes or no?
No,
Yes. Why?
Because she earns the same amount every hour.
She earns the same amount every hour. Perfect sentence. Julia? Then part E says write an equation to represent the amount of money Kylan will earn for babysitting after any number of hours. So we want to represent the money, we want to represent the amount of money. So the amount of money she will earn is increasing $15 every hour. This is the number of hours. This is money earned. Part F, how much will Kylan charge for babysitting 5 hours? Now guys, we know with using common sense, if you're getting paid $15 an hour and you work for 5 hours, wouldn't that be $15, $15, $15, $15, and $15? What's the fast way to do repeated addition?
Multiplication.
Multiply, so we all know that this is what, $75? But if we're using our equation, y equals 15x, which variable stands for hours, the x or the y? Which one? The x. So I erase the x and replace it with the 5, find my equal sign. Isn't the variable isolated? So you're just going to simply just do the math and do 15 times 5. So in 5 hours, she earns $75. This is the hours, this is the money. Are we okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Part G, it says, how many hours did Kylan babysit for if she charges $120? And I'm gonna do this over here, so y equals 15x. Which variable stands for the money?
Why?
Guys, I heard one answer. Which variable stands for money?
Why?
So I'm gonna erase the y, replace it with the 120, find my equal sign and dot it. Is my variable isolated?
No.
No, so that means we have to use those solve equation skills on this one-step equation. How am I going to rip this 15 away from the x? Everybody,
Division.
divide. Thank you. 120 divided by 15 is?
8.
So in 8 hours, she would earn $120. That's supposed to be a parenthesis, not a dollar sign. Go ahead, me too.